phone.
Hey, YouTube fans. Today, I am brushing the dog and she stepped in poop.
Clean off the poop. Go get the hose. Oh my gosh, get the hose.
Come on.
You have to clean it off for me though. Ew, gross.
Okay, go over there.
Next time, clean up the poop. Oh my gosh.
Look, we killed some bees that were up in yonder.
Clean my foot up. Oh, clean that. Clean the side of it too. Don't squirt it at me. You're squirting the poo at me.
That's how you get it off. Wipe your foot on the grass. Like, wipe it off. Okay, now, hold your foot up. Okay, lift it up. Okay, wipe it on the ground again. Okay, now come here.
Is it all gone? Yeah.
Did it get in your toe cracks? Just your heel?
No, just my heel.
Okay, I think that's good.
Thank you. Stop spraying my leg. Next time, clean up the poop. Clean the hose off.
Hey, YouTube fans. YouTube fans.
The back of the trailer.
Mm-hmm.
YouTube fans, over here.
Hi, Rev.
Go grab my little green shovel in the side door of the trailer over there.
Hi, YouTube fans. Today
It's on the other side.
I am brushing my dog Rev.
Other side.
Today I'm brushing my dog Rev. And you've seen Rev in many videos. Which I love her. We just went coon hunting last night. It ripped her apart. So we take care of her a lot. When they're all bloody, we just like take lots of care of them and give them a bath. So we just gave her some water and put water on her. Like giving her a bath. So
Go
that's
throw the
our-
football for Larry.
So there's a football right there, and I'm gonna go put it for my dog. Larry! Hey, Larry! Go get it!
You probably can't reach that. Go get it.
That's gonna just make it harder for you to clean up the poop. I can't.
Go get it.
Dad, there's way too much spiders under there.
No, there's not.
Underwear.
Nah. You said underwear.
What? It's only like not even halfway empty. Go get it.
Check out this cool little shovel here.
That's my dad from Rick Life. The one who filmed the videos at work.
Show your face.
This tree needs trimmed. It's like
Time
in the
to
way.
show his face. This time. Show
No.
your face.
Okay, what are you guys gonna do? You gonna do gymnastics into the poo or what?
No.
Why?
That's what I'm going around to do. Hey, Red, get over here. Oh, wet dog feet. Oh, wet dog feet.
I really can't believe you stepped in it. I didn't know it was there, by the way.
Well,
If I knew it was there, you know I would have cleaned it up.
You need to pay more attention to your
I'm
dogs.
popping on.
I'm gonna do my double front handspring.
My turn.
It's kind of hard to see because it's in the shadow.
Deer, step out, step out.
I don't know.
Do it. Show them how cool it looks.
Do it again.
You didn't do your step
Hey,
out.
YouTube fans. So,
It's the same video. I'm just gonna put them together.
let's do, so I'm going to do, like step out, but with a handstand. Let's get started.
Handstand, step out, step out. That was not a step out, step out.
Well,
That's handspring.
I had some trouble with it. Because when I tried to do it, I like flew back onto my back. My turn.
It's not good light to do these videos, so adios.
Adios.
Adios, people. Make sure to subscribe and show your friends.